Are you tired of wondering if your friends are active on Instagram while you're on your PC? Well, with the new update, you can now easily view active contacts on Instagram right from your computer. First, open your account on Instagram as usual. Then, look for the messenger icon on the left side of the screen. Click on it to open up your list of contacts. Now, pay attention to the names on the list. If you see a green dot next to a person's name or a recent timestamp, it means that they are currently active or have been recently active on Instagram. This makes it easy for you to know who is online and available to chat with. However, if you don't see a green dot next to a person's name, it means that they have turned off their active status feature in their settings. This may be because they want to maintain their privacy, or simply don't want others to know when they are active on the platform. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to view active contacts on Instagram on your PC. With just a few simple steps, you can now stay connected with your friends and family members who are online and ready to chat. Try it out today and see who's active on Instagram right now.